Hey everyone, welcome back to Bird Brain Gaming. Today, I'm going over my collection of the Nightmare on Elm Street series. I have 8 of the movies. I'm going to show you a little bit of their cover and a bit of the backstory and their release and all that good stuff. I have the 4 films favorites for part 1 through 4. And I have the other one for part 5 through 8. That includes Freddy's Dead, Wes Craven's New Nightmare, and Freddy vs. Jason. A Nightmare on Elm Street, written and directed by Wes Craven, debuted in 1984. This film features Heather Langenkamp, Robert Englund as Freddy, and the debut of Johnny Depp. This film concerns a group of teenagers who are hunted by Krueger, a former child killer who can murder people through their dreams as retribution towards their parents who burnt him alive. It was filmed on a budget of $1.1 million and made a box office total of about $57 million. It released on November 9th, 1984 and has a runtime of about 91 minutes.
Nancy.
And call myself a king of infinite space. Were it not that I have bad dreams.
Tina? Tina?
Where's your pass?
Screw your pass.
In the hallway.
A Nightmare on Elm Street 2, Freddy's Revenge, directed by Jack Scholder. This film follows Jesse Walsh, a teenager who begins having reoccurring nightmares about Freddy after moving into the former home of Nancy Thompson from part 1. This film's budget was $3 million and made a box office total of just under $30 million, $29,999 million. It was released on November 1st, 1985, and has a runtime of 87 minutes.
Hey, is everybody okay?
Search me.
What's going on? just calm down, all right? Relax. Yeah. It's gonna be all right. Nobody's gonna hurt you. Just tell us what you want, all right? Yeah, I'm here to help you.
Help yourself, fucker! You are all my children now.
What the hell are you doing?
Where'd he go?
A Nightmare on Elm Street 3, Dream Warriors. Story was developed by Wes Craven and Bruce Wagner. Its story is about Nancy Thompson, now a psychiatrist, and Kristen, a patient who can bring others into her own dreams, team up with other kids to launch a daring rescue into the dreamland and save a child from Freddy Krueger. It was released on February 27th, 1987 on a budget of $4.6 million and grossed at the box office $44.8 million, has a runtime of 96 minutes.
Fella, wake up. Have a nice stroll, asshole.
doing? Get help! Get help! Philip! Philip!
Joey! What's the matter?
Don't do it! Philip! God, stop!
A Nightmare on Elm Street 4, The Dream Master, the fourth installment of the Nightmare on Elm Street franchise, directed by Rennie Harlin, is about the revenge against the families who killed him. Freddy Krueger uses Christian's best friend, Alice Johnson, to gain access to new victims in order to satiate his murderous needs. The release date was August 19th, 1988, had a budget of $6.5 million and made a box office total of $49.4 million on a runtime of 93 minutes.
Wanna suck the face?
No.
You flunk.
Sheila? Didn't you see it? He was here!
Alice, what are you talking about?
He was here!
A Nightmare on Elm Street 5, The Dream Child, directed by Stephen Hopkins. The film follows Freddy Krueger, and through Alice, Freddy uses the baby's dreams to claim new victims. This release date was August 11th, 1989, on a budget of $8 million and made a box office total of $22.1 million on a runtime of 90 minutes.
It's a beautiful evening here in downtown Springwood, and we'll be back with the music in just a moment. Right now, we're open for your calls, so go ahead, rock.
I'm calling about my wayward ex-son Daniel, who's been acting like an ungrateful, unmanageable dickweed ever since he was seduced by that bimbo slut whore Alice.
Mom? If I were you, lady, I'd kill the ungrateful piggy. Put your pedal to the metal, Dan! Back here, Dan! Better buckle up, dear!
Next up, Freddy's Dead, The Final Nightmare. This is the 6th film in the Nightmare on Elm Street franchise. This was initially intended to be the final installment of the series. Directed by Rachel Talalay, additional actors made a cameo, including Johnny Depp, Roseanne Barr, Tom Arnold, and Alice Cooper. Iggy Pop sings the title song, which plays during the end credits as well. It was released on September 13th, 1991, on a budget of $11 million and made a box office total of $34.9 million, with a runtime of 89 minutes.
Bam! Splash! Jump boy!
Oh shit, Spencer!
Come on, John. Good.
Get out of here now, please! Now!
Hey! You forgot the power glove! Ow! Boing, 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 boing! my high score.
Wes Craven's New Nightmare, written and directed by Wes Craven, is a standalone film and the 7th installment in the Nightmare franchise. This film is not part of the same continuity as previous films, instead portraying Freddy Krueger as a fictional movie villain who invades the real world and haunts a cast and crew involved in the making of the film about him. Freddy is depicted as closer to what Craven originally intended, being much more menacing and less comic. This film was released October 14th, 1994 on a budget of $8 million and grossed at the box office $19.8 million with a runtime of 112 minutes.
Freddy Krueger films were found brutally slashed to death early this morning. Freddy's glove was missing, and police are speculating the murders were the result of a botched theft, which apparently took place 2 days ago. At this point, the murder weapon has not been
Miss me?
Next up, the final in my collection, Freddy vs. Jason. This is the 8th installment. The film joins the 2 series of Jason Voorhees and Freddy Krueger in a shared universe. Freddy is weakened and forgotten because the citizens of his hometown Springwood have defeated him by using medications that repress dreams. Freddy awakens Jason to stir up fear and grow his powers so that he may return and kill again. Jason Voorhees turns out to not be as easily controlled as Freddy initially thought, and the 2 supernatural mass murderers come into conflict. This film was released August 15th, 2003 on a budget of $30 million and grossed at the box office $116.6 million on a runtime of 98 minutes.
That's better. What the fuck? Nice.
No sodas, okay? I can't pour these down the drain. We need this stuff. Freebird, what are you doing? You need those drugs! Dude, no! Shit, they're all empty.
We gotta keep looking.
Maybe there's some down here.
Damn, it's gotta be here somewhere.
We gotta go! Now! Come on!
Let me handle this, bitch.
What?
Come on, man, let's go! Let's go!
Wait! Look!
Come to Freddy. These are my children, Jason. Go back where you belong!
Fuck you! Linderman.
These are my children, Jason. Go back where you belong.
Jason. My special.
I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Please keep safe during this Halloween season of 2023. Check your candies just in case to be safe. Smash that like button. Leave a comment if you like. Which Freddy film is your favorite? My personal favorite is part 4, The Dream Master. Hit that bell notification for updates on Bird Brain Gaming videos. And I'll see you all next time. Later, everyone.